So I just forgot to also the preset one I did for CS50, that was Flappy Bird. So I'm going to show you now. I just visited a project. This is also included in the introduction. I'll tell you the link. What this game does, this is just a replica of Flappy Bird, which I made in a software known as Scratch. So what did I do? Just the copy. So we'll have to click the green flag. Then we'll press start, and I have to press the space button to jump, and I have to cross these pipes. And if you are if you're done with or you touch some pipe, so you'll see sorry, game over, and go home, you're drunk. So this was made by me, Flappy Bird. This was the PSET 0 by CS50 course. And what if we see the code? We can see inside the code I wrote. There are some scripts is the probably the coding behind. This is a sprite, so behind the start button which we see, like we see this button start, the coding behind it is this all. Then when green flag is clicked and set score and these things. And like for pipe we have this code, then for bird we have this code this much, that how if suppose the bird touches the ground, then what should happen to the bird. If it touches the sky or the limit upwards, then what happens to the bird. Then we see this is the background, just a little bit coding of the background, no coding of this background. Then we have flowers. These flowers, as we can see, after some time, the speed of the flowers increases. Like here, the flower is going in by this speed. Now, when I'll see the flower again, let us wait. So we can see it's much faster than the previous one. So its speed is increasing with time. So that's also code here, written here. I've written the code of it here. Then I have a code of simple some bird's wing, which is like flapping. You can see when I click start, I can see the bird's wing is flapping at the start. So I can show you again. Like I press start, I can see the bird's wings flapping. The code behind that is this code. So that's written. So the main things I want to show behind what's happening inside. When I click start, if I touch the ground, I'll my game will be over. Okay, so that's the case we see in real game. Then if I click start and just touch a pipe, suppose I touch this pipe, and I'm again the game is over. And suppose if I go to above at the highest point of the screen, I'm not going out of the screen because I have a code written. If my bird goes out from the screen, bring it back. So what if I do it, suppose I'm regularly jumping and trying, but I can't go out of the screen because I have a code written that if it goes out, it will push the bird back into the screen part. So that's the thing. These are the main things. Then suppose if I am doing good, my speed of the bird will increase, because as we cover more pipes, the difficulty of the game must increase. So what if I press start and I'll try to clear stages. So if this stage is cleared, then this is cleared, we can see the speed is increasing. And the speed increases, like the flower speed is increasing, the game speed is also increasing with time, so that the difficulty level is increased with time. Also you can see the score part, which is like here the score is 0 now. The score will be incremented by 1 as I pass the obstacles. Let us see if the speed is increasing of the game. So we can see a little bit speed is increased now, a little more. Okay, so speed is also increasing and score is also increasing. So that's the Flappy Bird I just forgot to mention in my previous videos. And this was also a preset by CS50, and this is made by using a software known as Scratch. And uh, this is uploaded at this link, and I'll put the link in my introduction so that it can be visited by you. Okay, thank you.